In this video, I'll show you how to stop Discord from opening on startup. To get started, go ahead and open the Discord app on your PC or laptop. And here, make sure that you're signed in into your Discord account. Now, once you're here, go ahead and head over into the user settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom left of your screen. Scroll down and look for the Windows settings on the left sidebar of your settings page. So click on Windows settings, and in here go ahead and disable open Discord, which you'll find under the system startup behavior. This will allow you to stop Discord from opening on startup or once you restart your PC or laptop. So once you restart your PC or laptop, Discord will stop from popping into your screen during startups, and that's basically how you can stop Discord from opening on startup. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.